So Lava as a brand has finally stepped into the wearable industry and they'll launch their first ProWatch series. This is the ProWatch ZN and this is the ProWatch VN, the two smartwatches that they've launched. We'll tell you more about it in this video. There you go. Lava showed off two smartwatches models, one round and one rectangular, both under the name ProWatch. They'll be available online on Amazon and other stores. The Lava ProWatch ZN is the round watch and the more premium of the two. It has a zinc alloy body and a choice between stainless steel and silicone for straps. The watch has been tested to be resistant against corrosion with salt sprays and is rated IP68. The display is 1.43 inches circular OLED with 466:466 px resolution. It runs 60 Hz of refresh rate and gives 600 nits of brightness and has always on display mode available. Keeping with the theme of durability, the display is protected by Gorilla Glass 3. The two Pro watches run on proprietary OS rather than the Google Wear. They can handle Bluetooth calling, notifications along with camera and music control. There's a voice assistant available too, plus some built-in games as well. The focus is on sports and health tracking. The ZN has 110 plus sports modes to choose from, and it also has various health trackers like heart rate, SpO2 sensors, step counter, and can measure stress and track your sleep. The ZN watch stands out with its battery, 350 mAh of power with the 7 days of normal usage and 3 days if you use Bluetooth calling. The most impressive stat is the fast charging, which is in 1 hour, the watch is fully charged. Lava ProWatch VN is the rectangular watch and is more affordable out of the two. It's 1.96 LCD with 320:386 px resolution and gives 500 nits of brightness with 60 Hz of refresh rate and always on mode. The chassis is made out of zinc alloy and only comes with silicone straps. Also, this is IP67 rated, but the watch has still undergone corrosion testing with a salt water spray. The battery is smaller as compared to the ZN. This is 230 mAh and promises 5 days of normal usage and 2 days with Bluetooth calling. Recharging is much slower and takes about 2.5 hours. It has the same sports and health tracking features as the ZN, like heart rate, SpO2 steps, and stress and sleep tracking as well. The same notification features like music, camera controls, and even the built-in games. So we told about the both smartwatches and now it's time to tell you about the pricing. Well, the ProWatch ZN is priced about 4,999 and it's on a special offer right now, which is 2,599. The metal strap one is 1,000 rupees expensive, which is about 5,999, and it's going to cost you about 3,000 on the special offer. Also, ProWatch VN is going to cost you 3,999 and on special offer, this you're going to get for 1,999. So catch hold of the introductory offer, you're getting good discount on it. Otherwise, yes, the watch is quite smart and quite good. We'll give you a full review very soon. So right now, it was first look. Do let me know, how did you find these watches?